Finally, guys, big money by working. Actually, I've been seeing this all around YouTube. Then I said, no, I must, give it a try, then come back and give my followers my honest review. Welcome, guys. This is Jenny. Welcome to Jenny Sales channel. Here in this video, we'll talk about how to make legit money online, importation, everything, Facebook ads and business growth. So if you've not hit the like button, do it to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, do it to hit the subscribe button. So let me just go through this and I'll be giving my honest review at the end of this video. So do well to watch to the end so you will know if it's really worth it to use this app or not. All right, my honest review will let you know that. All right, let me use my screen record to show you how to register and how to do it and everything about this app. Here comes the app right here. You go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, and look for work tax. So you have 2 minutes of registration: Facebook, Google. Actually, you can use your Google. Actually, Facebook worked for me. So remember, the name of the app is called Work Tax. Yes, so if you have your Play Store, you can download it. If you have your App Store, you can download it. So actually, I'll be using my Facebook to do the registration, and it worked for me. Google didn't work for me, but Facebook did, so Google can still work for you. So voila, this is the app. So they ask you to enter code. It's not compulsory, but if you have a friend code, you can still add it. Then you click on submit. But if you don't want to enter code, you click on skip. I actually clicked on skip, and here we are. Wow, now you can see different things here. Look at it here, and it's super amazing, guys. So I'll be telling you everything you need to know about this app. All right, you work and you get paid. Look at the coins. Once you work, the coins will be, they'll put the coins will automatically come to your earning box. Look at, I just cashed out now, got 1 coin. It has come to the coins but have not withdrawn. All right, so this is the point where I just worked. I just use it as as an example to know actually how it works. So it's super amazing, guys. So now they will ask you to allow the app for physical activity data, because it's when you work, it's when it's going to be, you'll be cashing out. If you don't work, it won't be able to cash out. So continue to watch, because I'll give you my honest review if actually it's worth it or not. Do well to hit the like button. If you don't subscribe, do well to subscribe. All right, so one thing about this app is you can also invite friends and you get paid. Yes, that's why they asked us for the referral code at first. So you can you can also refer friends and you get paid. Not just that, here they have so many tax too. Even if you don't want to work, you can still be getting paid by watching videos, doing surveys and referring friends. But referral is not compulsory. All right, because I didn't refer anybody now. So now look at the way they will pay you. They pay you using gift cards, or they use PayPal. All right, so these are the ways. Then you have different countries. You see, when you enter here, you're going to be selecting your own country. If you're in United States, you select your own. If you're in different states, you select your states. Yes, it has options for different states. Now look at the gift card. We have South Africa, United Kingdom, Vietnam, Mexico. You just go ahead and look for your own states. United Kingdom. Actually, right now I'm in Nigeria, so I'll click on others because my state is not there. Now look at how you get your money: PayPal or through gift cards. These are the means you can get paid here on this app. All right, so these are the means you can get paid on this app. So if you don't have PayPal, you can also get paid using gift card. So looking at this, well, let's keep going. You have other platforms, other ways of getting paid, which is beautiful. You can as well watch, videos. You can play games, It's so amazing. You can also look at the games. The games are interesting. Once we have card games, we have fruit spin. Once you play games, you can also do lottery, and you get paid through gift cards too. Then one beautiful thing again is you can also check them on Telegram. They also have WhatsApp platform, and you can invite friends. All right, now you over here, you see your referral code. Just go ahead and copy it. Once you copy it and introduce your friends, once your friends log in, sign up with your referral code, automatically you get paid. That's another way to make money here on this app. All right, so they just accept your invite, they enter code, and you get paid even if you don't work. But when you work and you still do this, that is double bonus for you. All right, so many I've copied to my to my own, for people to sign up, so you too can. All right, so they also have different ways here you can make money. So you can see that it's super amazing. Now they have different questions that someone might ask. You can also follow them on WhatsApp. How to earn coins. They explain everything in detailed. Work-in offers 5 ways. We have 5 ways you can earn on this app. Number 1, you work to earn coins. So as you work, you put the app, active, as you're working, it's keep earning you money. And that way you can earn again is by lucky box. This one is daily. You can earn by bonus. This bonus page offers various rewards. So sometimes you see the bonus page refers you doing surveys, games, and all that. So many ways you can earn. You can also earn by tax. They have different tasks you can do. When you go to down the page, you where they see tax. Once you do the tax, then you get paid. I will also be linking the link to I'll be pasting the link to this website or to this app on the description button so that you don't download something else. So I'll post it there, I'll paste it there. I'll also drop my referral code in case you want to join and put your referral. You can try that. All right, so it's super amazing. It's not sweat coin. Sweat coin was not paying. But some person said pay, but this is a new method you can earn while you work. So we have their WhatsApp. You can also click on that follow WhatsApp and join their WhatsApp group for more information. Now look at the questions people ask. So it has Google Play, it has App Store. Now my honest review. This app, if you are in Nigeria, please don't waste your time. It won't pay you. You know why? I'm not saying, unless maybe you have a working PayPal, because I've checked through, there's no account details, there's no OP, there's no means where we can get, the money. So that's why I said so. So there's no means why we can get paid though. But if you're in other countries or you have registered PayPal, it works, it pays. Yes, I have people that have used it and it's paid them. But if you are in Nigeria and you don't have current PayPal that is working, please don't waste your data. It won't pay you, because the only way you can cash out, I've checked and I've gone through all my research, is through PayPal and through gift cards, which is somehow difficult. All right, this is my honest review. So if you have qualified PayPal, go ahead. If you have correct PayPal accounts, go ahead. If you know you can, if you have a means of getting gift card, go ahead and do it, because the app pays. But if you don't have these things, I beg, don't waste your data, don't waste your time. Bye. See you in my next video.